You sit up on the edge of the bed, reach around, and grab your side. There's this deep, nagging ache right in your flank, and you immediately find yourself asking, did I just overdo it yesterday, or is something actually wrong with my kidneys? Look, at our age, we tend to shrug off every new ache as just getting older. We figure we slept funny, or maybe lifted something too heavy. But brushing off a kidney issue as just a sore back can land you in the emergency room if you're not careful. So let's clear the air. I'll show you the key signs to help you tell the difference between a stubborn back muscle and a serious kidney problem. We'll look at where it hurts, how the pain feels, and a few hidden warning signs you might be missing. I'll also show you a simple 30-second technique to get a much clearer picture of what's going on. It's the same tap test doctors use in the clinic. Let's get right to it. Now, you might be wondering why we're even having this conversation. Well, as we cross that 60-year mark, the padding between our spinal discs starts to thin out, making back tweaks a weekly occurrence for most of us. At the same time, our kidneys have been working hard for 6 decades. They naturally become a bit more sensitive to things like salt, new blood pressure meds, or just simple dehydration. It's the perfect storm for confusion. You're not being paranoid for wondering which one it is. You're being smart. Understanding this aging architecture of our bodies is the only way to stay ahead of the game. The first thing to check is exactly where that pain is sitting. Now, if you've got a typical back problem, maybe a muscle strain or your discs are acting up, that pain is usually right in the center of your back, or maybe across the very bottom of your spine. It's that lower backache most of us know all too well. Kidney pain is different. It's higher up and deeper inside. Think about where your bottom ribs are. Your kidneys are actually tucked up right under those ribs toward your back. When they're the problem, you'll feel it in what we call the flank. That's the fleshy area between your ribs and your hip, and usually it's just on one side. Here's a great way to test the waters. Try to move around. If you can put your finger right on the spot that hurts by pressing on a specific muscle, or if it hurts more when you twist or bend over, you're likely looking at a back strain. A muscle doesn't like to be moved. But your kidneys? They don't care if you're standing, sitting, or even trying to get comfortable in your favorite recliner. If they're hurting, that deep ache isn't going anywhere just because you shifted your weight. Think of it this way. Muscles scream when you move them, but kidneys just throb no matter what. Now, a quick word of caution before we move on. If you're feeling that ache right now, your first instinct might be to reach for a bottle of Advil or skip your water to avoid a trip to the bathroom. Don't do it. Those specific painkillers, NSAIDs, can be a real kick in the teeth to a struggling kidney, and dehydration only makes the pain worse. I've done a full video on these hidden kidney killers before if you want the deep dive later. But for right now, keep the water flowing and put the meds away until you know for sure what you're dealing with. Now, let's talk about what that pain actually feels like. A pulled muscle and a kidney stone are two completely different beasts. If it's your back, it usually feels like a dull, heavy throb. Or maybe it's a sharp stabbing sensation when you move a certain way. You know that feeling when you reach for a bag of groceries and your back just catches? That's almost always a muscle or a joint issue. It's a physical, surface-level pain that changes based on what you're doing. Kidney pain doesn't play by those rules. It's a deep, steady ache that sits way down inside you. It doesn't care if you're lying perfectly still on the sofa or trying to walk the dog. It just stays there, humming in the background. If it's a kidney infection, it's usually a constant, throbbing pressure that makes you feel generally worn out. But if we're talking about a kidney stone, well, that's a whole different story. That isn't just an ache. It's a sharp, agonizing wave of pain that can travel from your side all the way down to your groin. It comes and goes in unbearable waves. It's enough to make the toughest guy double over. If your pain is jumping around or coming in those intense spasms, that's your kidneys talking, not some muscle you strained doing yard work. Beyond just the ache itself, you've got to look at the rest of your body. A bad back is usually a lonely pain. It might make you grouchy, sure, but it stays in the muscles and bones. It doesn't usually make you feel sick in the rest of your body. But when your kidneys are struggling, they tend to bring some nasty friends along for the ride. I'm talking about things like a low-grade fever, a sudden chill that makes you reach for a blanket, or even a wave of nausea that hits you out of nowhere. If you've got a backache and you suddenly feel like you're coming down with the flu, that's a massive red flag. Your kidneys are part of your internal organs, and when they're under attack, your whole system reacts. Then, there's the dead giveaway, the one you can't ignore. What's happening when you go to the bathroom? A pulled muscle in your back isn't going to change the color of your urine. But if your kidneys are the culprit, you might notice things looking a bit cloudy, or darker than usual, or even a tint of red. You might feel a burning sensation, or find yourself running to the bathroom every 20 minutes only to have nothing happen. If you've got that deep ache in your side and you're seeing any of these changes, stop guessing. That might be more than just getting older. It could be a strong signal that something needs professional attention, and it's time to pay attention. All right, so you've looked at the location, you've felt the type of pain, and you've checked for those extra symptoms. But if you're still sitting there on the fence, I want you to try this. It's a simple move we call the Murphy's Punch, or a percussion test. Doctors use it every day to help identify if there's potential sensitivity in the kidney area. Here's how you do it. Stand up or have someone help you if you're feeling a bit stiff. Find that flank area we talked about right where your bottom ribs meet your back. Now, take your hand, make a flat palm against that spot, and then use your other hand to give it a firm, solid tap. Not a punch, just a good, sturdy thump. If it's just a sore back muscle, that tap might feel a little tender, or you might not feel much at all. But if your kidney is infected or blocked, even a light thump is going to make you jump. It's a deep, shocking kind of pain that tells you something is wrong inside the organ itself, not the muscle over it. If that tap makes you wince, it's time to stop second-guessing and call your doctor. Now, I'm not saying you need to rush to the ER every time your back tweaks, but if that tap test gives you a jolt, or if you're seeing blood in your urine and running a fever, don't wait it out. At our age, a kidney infection can turn into something much nastier if it's left alone for a few days. It's always better to have a doctor tell you it's just a strain than to find out the hard way that it was something more. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope this helps you breathe a little easier or at least gives you a clear plan of action. If this cleared things up for you today, what's going on with your back, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps other folks in our age group find this information when they're sitting on the edge of the bed wondering the same thing you were. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're putting out new videos every week focused on staying healthy and active as we move through our 60s and beyond. Before I let you go, remember this. You know your body better than anyone else. If that gut feeling is telling you something isn't right, don't let a busy doctor or a tough it out attitude talk you out of getting checked. Whether it's a kidney stone or just a stubborn muscle, getting an answer is the first step to getting back on your feet. Take care of yourselves, keep an eye on those warning signs, and I'll see you in the next video.